Oh, Madeline has a great question about bowl cozies.
Okay, Madeline, ask.
She is wanting to applique a flower on it using heat and bond, but
Okay.
is wondering if that could go back in the microwave if she
Not
does
the
that.
minute you put heat and bond on it, you can't. How come? Do you know, Emily?
Because it'll like melt and
Yeah, it'll melt.
not be okay in the microwave. Yeah, but you could totally like stitch it on, right?
You totally could.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You could just stitch it on and then it
Your-
would be just right there. And you could totally do penguins or gnomes or whatever you were going to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, just don't use the heat and bond.